Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on a Casio G Shock GG1000 or module 5476. The first step is to put the watch in the time mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see the day of the week. Press and hold the adjust button for 2 seconds until the city code in 3 letters appears on the screen. Now the watch is in the setting mode. You're gonna press on the mode button to change the parameter and on the 2 buttons on the right side to change the value. First we will set the time zone or the city code using the 2 buttons on the right side. If you don't know which one to choose, please leave a comment below and I will guide you. Press the mode button and use the lower right button to put on or off DST or summertime. Press the mode button and press on the search button to put the watch digital display in 12 hours or 24 hours. Now each time you're gonna press mode to change the parameter and the 2 buttons on the right side to change the value. We're gonna press mode, now change the hour, press mode, now change the minutes, the year, the month, and the date. To exit the settings, press on the adjust button 1 time and the watch will return to the normal time mode. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.